Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and explain the Google Classroom assignments if you have access to internet. This is the instructional video to describe what we're doing. Okay, so if you are doing the time Google Classroom, you're going to scroll all the way down over here to time, and you're going to click it, and it's going to pop up, and it's going to look like this. Now, the video isn't working. I'm going to try to fix it before tomorrow. If not, if it still does not work, do not worry. You don't have to watch the video. I will try to put another video in here to see if it'll work. We started doing this today, so remember you can count by fives to fill in the minutes for each clock. This is an example of the 4 quarters in an hour. Remember, if the minute hand is, if the hour hand is over here on this side, it's quarter past that hour. If it's over here on this side, it's quarter till that hour, okay? So remember, the hour hand is over here. And then you're going to divide your ice cream. So for example, this ice cream, the hour hand is over on this side of the clock, so it's quarter past, and you can refer back to this if need help. And on this ice cream, the hour sign is on this side, so it's quarter past. On this ice cream over here, it's on quarter till that hour, quarter till 11. Okay, quarter till 11. And then if you have time to go down to the other slides, you can. I only recommend finishing the ice cream slide if you did not get finished. The popsicle slide, this popsicle slide, and this popsicle slide. I would stop after this. Okay, so when you do this one, you're going to drag and drop the correct time to match the clock. So you're going to look for the clock. You're going to look for the time to match with the clock. So remember, the minute hand is the long hand and the short hand is the hour hand. And you're going to count by fives to figure out the minute, okay? And that's the same for all of these. All right, remember, if you have any questions, you can dojo message me. Let me go ahead and explain the plants. If you are wanting to do the plants one, you may. If not, it's no big deal. Here is the one that you're going to be doing. It's this one. Do not worry about this one. We'll be doing this one in class. This is the one you'll be doing. And it looks like this. Nope, not that one. Looks like this. It's super cute. So I'm going to have a video posted of the plant life cycle, and you're going to watch it, and it'll be right there in the Google Classroom assignment. And you're just going to smooth the labels to label the parts of a plant. The same thing. Label the parts of a plant. Sort what the plants need and what they don't need. And then label the parts of a seed inside. And I will have videos posted for this, so you were able to do so, okay? I will find videos and have them posted. And that is it. If you're doing the writing assignment, there'll be instructions for that through Dojo, so you do not have to watch the video. This video is strictly only for the telling time video and the digital plant activity if you're wanting to do those, okay? I'm going to have these videos recorded for you. These are the videos I was talking about. I'll have them recorded for you off of YouTube and put them inside of Google Classroom, okay? All right, guys, I'll see you on Thursday.